Hello, I'm Bill Thomason, and this is your NLP Skills video blog. How can I find out more about what NLP can do for me? In addition to reading what you can from the website, nlpskills.com, you can attend Wednesday night meetings. There are meetups from 7 o'clock to 8:30 at our conference room. We're going to give you value up front. By attending these free Wednesday night meetups, you can move your whole process ahead much more quickly than you might otherwise. So whether you're an experienced NLP practitioner, master practitioner, or trainer, or you just have an interest in learning more about what NLP could do for you at any one of those levels, you're going to come away each week with a different valuable skill that can instantly transform your results in life. So you can transform relationships, business, and your whole personal life. So no previous experience is usually required to attend these workshops. You're going to come away with benefit anyway. So the next question is, what else can I do to get more involved and learn more? So training workshops and certification programs are going on all the time at NLP Coaching and Skills Training Institute. Weekend and evening workshops are a great way to focus in on a particular area of learning that is important to you and be able to actually practice those NLP skills in a safe environment. So now you get much deeper exposure to individual skill sets, including basic to advanced rapport skills, eye accessing, submodalities, anchoring, strategy elicitation, behavior modeling, therapeutic metaphor, selling skills, language patterns and sleight of mouth patterns, and meta programs, timeline, A+ study skills, and much more. My name is Bill Thomason. This is the NLP Coaching and Skills Training Institute.